guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications, throw me a thumbs up, and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are.
Good Saturday morning, everybody. A little chilly this morning, 15 degrees, exactly what I was looking for. Picking up the last of my hay this morning. I needed a little bit of a freeze to firm up the ground enough that I'm not tearing everything up, because I get landowners that are pissed off at me. So, God, I gotta get my hay off the field in the fall. Son of a bitch. Anyway, we got 4 on the trailer from the last stop. We got 9 on the next place. We'll see what happens here. It's gonna be a little bit. Well, we're getting there. I got 3 bales left, but things are getting a little interesting up behind me there. Go grab a bale and I'll kind of give you an idea what's going on. I gotta talk to Jeff here about landowner about cleaning up some of these trees. Starting to get more and more of them that are falling all over the edge of the field. I don't mind cleaning them up, just as long as I get to cut the hay for that year again. Sometimes he's been a little wishy-washy on it. Not sure why, but whatever. You can see where the track started sloughing off on the left side. Oh, that's where the hell I'm going here. You get off to the side there. Get down in that and she gets a little tippy. I gotta get the 3-point spear fixed up so I can start using that as well, and then I have a little counterweight, because with just a bale on the loader she gets a little squirrely sometimes. So get this one on the trailer. We're gonna haul 12 on the trailer, 1 on the spear, and that way we're done. I don't like to haul 1 on the spear, but I'm not gonna leave 1 here either. Come back and put 1 on the trailer. That's not gonna happen. Alright. I'll watch for traffic, because I'm loading on the road. You can see I'm loading. Bear with me. So I didn't back the trailer up far enough either when they turned around. Idiots. Oh yeah, look at that, would ya? Fucking trailer so it doesn't push me down the hill. A little icy in a few spots. Alright, we're officially in Bruno city limits right now. We're gonna go right through downtown. Take you guys on a big tour. Left there is the county garage. That's the old school. Main Street. So the red building on the right is the post office and a couple apartment buildings. The yellow building on your left right there in front of us is the thrift store. Alright, so up here on your left you have the local bar. On the right you have the local gas station, and that is it. That's all it brew. That's not so bad, huh? Alright, well, we're going to get these unloaded. Now I'm going to make a decision on what I want to do here. Uh-oh. Wasn't thinking about that one. Not sure if I'm doing the other load yet today or I do the other one tomorrow. It'll be at least 2.5 hours before I get back with it. I think by then things are going to get greasy. Finish it. Alright, let's get this one unloaded and I'm going to call it it. It's done. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. If you like what we're doing, what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get my notifications, leave a question or comment below, and hey, yeah, it's the last one. We'll see you guys again next time. Well, clearly we won't have that much problem getting you in the trailer.